Guys, are you still looking to find a niche for a marketing agency? If yes, stick with me till the very end because I'm going to disclose 3 top new niches for your marketing agency. The most important part of starting agency is finding a niche, and a good one actually comes with their own pros and cons. They should be making like somewhat good money when you get them a sale, and that's what comes under niche research. But you gotta be aware of these things, right? You can still go out there and like start getting clients in home improvement industry, because I would say that particular industry is a little competitive. At the same time, it's saturated too, so you can still make money where the competition is. There's competition because people are making money, and when you get in a space where people are making money, then your chances of also making money increases. Anyways, let's keep the video short as possible. The first niche which is coming to your way, it's podcast marketing. So guys, as you know, like whenever you just open Instagram, whenever you open YouTube shorts, like what are the first reels, the first shorts you see? It's someone like it's on podcast, just sharing their POV, their perspective, like what they think about certain topics. It could be about anything: masculinity, femininity, or feminism, how to make money, stocks, financial like education, or when anything, guys. It's so much diverse these days. Like you are going to get so much people who are creating content, who are just doing podcasts specifically to put out content for these kind of platforms, for Instagram and YouTube shorts. To be honest, like when you're good at something, you should just focus on that instead of focusing on different things. If you're good at getting clients, focus on that. If you're good at running Facebook ads, focus on it. You're going to make more money. And that's why like these people, these influencers, are sometimes also looking for marketing services. They are looking for like video editors. They're looking for someone who can like organically like make the video go viral. Do some research and give it a shot. Start offering free trials. It could be any kind of service: video editing, Instagram growth, managing their podcast, like creating reels, whatever it is, guys. There's a very good growing demand. The second niche is YouTube channel management. To be honest, when I started my YouTube channel, it was just me who was managing it. I barely had any time and any idea on how to post and how to rank your YouTube videos, how to do YouTube SEO. Literally no idea. I was just going to Canva, creating a random thumbnail, just picking up a random template of a thumbnail, recreating it, posting the videos out there. The only thing I knew, just how to speak in front of the camera. That's the only thing I knew at that point of time. So at that point of time, I was just recording these videos and there was no one to edit them. It was all me creating the thumbnails, having a good description of my YouTube videos. But by the end of the day, what I was lagging behind with is how to rank my YouTube videos and how to actually get more views and subscribers. And then hired my first YouTube channel guy, like management guy. He used to like manage my YouTube channel posts, so I saw some growth. Then I knew like I'm not good at it. That's why like I've hired someone else later down the line, and now he's managing my YouTube channel videos, creating thumbnails, doing the SEO, ranking it, and whatever it is. And now you can yourself see the growth of my channel. It's monetized. I'm getting good number of subscriber views every single day, and that's it, guys. That was my goal eventually. So I just did whatever I was good at: shooting videos, creating videos, talking in front of the camera, sharing my experience, right? And I hired someone. I delegated that task for someone who was skilled at that, right? So always remember, like you should be delegating whenever you are just running an agency. And this is the second niche, which is like starting a agency like who manages YouTube channels for like a lot of big influencers. I'm nothing at this point, just 4,000 subscribers. The other YouTube channels who are looking for the best skilled guys out there who are good at video editing. They need opt-out service, good at video editing, animation skills, ranking YouTube videos, doing SEO of the description of YouTube, getting you can even start an agency like in which way you can help these YouTubers to get more sponsorships of different brands across the globe. So there's unlimited potential in this specific niche. Give it a shot, do your research, and let me know like in the comment section if you like this niche. This is the last niche of this video, which is local SEO, search engine optimization. It's so much important for any business out there. It's like you're getting organic traffic. It's free traffic, right? And if you're at a position where your own personal website is getting SEO, like getting like free organic traffic, you would yourself feel like everything is good, everything is fine. Even if I don't reach out to new clients, even if I don't do outbound prospecting, I'll be still getting clients. Why? Because you're getting organic traffic. And that's what other business owners should also feel. They should also feel by the end of the day, like, I haven't knocked any doors today, I haven't got new solar appointments, but yeah, I have a website which is getting organic traffic because I've hired an agency who did a good SEO job for me. After 6-7 months, I'm started getting like 50,000 views every single month on my this landing page, where I'm getting like inbound solar inquiries who wants to go solar. Just giving an example real quick, right? So this local SEO thing, if you can do that, get them like these local inquiries, people get going to their website, signing up for the like service, product, whatever they offer, that's very valuable. And you can start offering these kind of services at a very high cost, maybe $2,000 or $3,000, and you don't have to charge them any kind of ad spend. It's just, you know, like charge them a like high ticket fee of let's say 4 or 5,000, then just go on Upwork or Fiverr, just hire someone who is good at SEO, especially local SEO, pay him like $2,000-3,000, keep the profit, scale the agency out. That's one way of getting into this niche. Either way, guys, just to conclude this video, the first was podcast marketing, just growing at an incredible rate. Second is starting an agency, like where you actually manage other people YouTube accounts to grow their accounts and actually get them more sponsorships by the end of the day. And the last but not the least, it's local SEO, where you do like SEO for like different local businesses or any kind of business out there for whom like SEO is actually applicable, you know. So that's it, guys. And these three niches right now, I would say it's not untapped, but if you get into these niches right now, the chances of getting clients is very high, right? But before even getting into any of these niches, you know what to do. You gotta just do some research before getting into it. How much you can charge, are there still any agency owners who are doing something like this similar? See what they're offering and try to replicate that. Never try to reinvent the wheel, just follow what's working, and that's how you're going to just start making money even quicker and faster, right? Anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you really like the video and if you got some value, then just like the video, like drop your feedback, subscribe to the channel. And also, guys, I'm soon going on another trip, so if you wanna like see like what I'm up to, you can definitely follow me on Instagram. And all the best, guys. Keep taking action, and let's talk very soon.